Welcome back everyone. In this video, we are going to learn more than 100 daily use English sentences. So watch the video till the end and like this video and subscribe to our channel. The first sentence is मैंने कहा, I said, I said. मुझे आपसे बात करना पसंद है. I love talking to you. I love talking to you. मुझे कहानियाँ पढ़ना पसंद है. I like to read stories. I like to read stories. अपने स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखें. Take care of your health. Take care of your health. के लिए जिम्मेदार नहीं हूँ. I am not responsible for this. I am not responsible for this. मुझे लेटने की ज़रूरत है. I need to lie down. I need to lie down. जैसी आपकी मर्जी. As you wish. As you wish. वह आपसे मिलने आएगा. He will visit you. He will visit you. जितनी जल्दी हो सके. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. आप कितने भाई बहन हो? How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have? आप क्या चाहते हैं? What do you want? What do you want? क्या सब ठीक है? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? तुम बाहर मत जाना. You don't go out. You don't go out. उसने अपनी कार बेच दी है. He has sold his car. He has sold his car. हम उससे रोज मिलते हैं. We meet him every day. We meet him every day. वह ठीक नहीं है. He is not well. He is not well. वह पहुंचने वाला है. He is about to reach. He is about to reach. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I don't want anything. I don't want anything. आप इस कार्य के लिए योग्य नहीं हैं. You are not fit for this job. You are not fit for this job. इस उपकार के लिए मैं आपका बहुत आभारी हूँ. I am very grateful to you for this favor. I am very grateful to you for this favor. वह मेरे आदेश को मान लेगा. He will accept my order. He will accept my order. कृपया उसकी बात सुनें. Please listen to him. Please listen to him. तुम अंदर कैसे आए? How did you get in? How did you get in? आपने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मैं जाने ही वाला था. I was about to leave. I was about to leave. ये उसकी गलती है. It is his mistake. It is his mistake. तुम उदास क्यों हो? Why are you upset? Why are you upset? मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you need? What do you need? काश मैं तुमसे मिल सकता. I wish I could meet you. I wish I could meet you. उसका इरादा क्या है? What is his intention? What is his intention? मैं पूरा प्रयास करूंगा. I will try my best. I will try my best. मैं सच बोलता हूँ. I speak the truth. I speak the truth. वो घर पर नहीं है. He is not at home. He is not at home. मुझे और बताओ. Tell me more. Tell me more. हम बहुत बातें करते हैं. We talk a lot. We talk a lot. मैं इस खबर से बहुत खुश हूँ. I am very glad about this news. I am very glad about this news. क्या तुमने खाना खाया? Did you have food? Did you have food? मैं जरूर आऊँगा. I will come for sure. I will come for sure. मुझसे पंगा मत लो. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं पता. I don't know at all. I don't know at all. कहना आसान है. It is easy to say. It is easy to say. वह मुझसे परिचित नहीं है. She is not familiar with me. She is not familiar with me. यह बहुत ज्यादा है. This is too much. This is too much. तुम्हें किसने मारा? Who hit you? Who hit you? नल खोल दो. Turn on the tap. Turn on the tap. बहाने मत बनाओ. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. क्या पास में कोई किराने की दुकान है? Is there any grocery store nearby? Is there any grocery store nearby? मैं तुम्हारा कौन हूँ? Who am I to you? Who am I to you? क्या आपके पास कुछ है? Do you have something? Do you have something? मैं बस जानना चाहता हूँ. I just want to know. I just want to know. आप कब जाएंगे? When will you go? When will you go? क्या बहुत अच्छा है? Is he good? Is he good? अपना काम पूरा करें. Complete your work. Complete your work. क्या आपको यकीन है? Are you sure? Are you sure? किसी भी तरह इसे करो. Do it anyhow. Do it anyhow. मैं सुबह 6 बजे उठता हूँ. I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. उसके पास जाओ. Go with him. Go with him. मुझे अंदर आने दो. Let me in. Let me in. कितनी बार? How many times? How many times? कौन सा लेना है? Which one to take? Which one to take? इसे यहीं रहने दो. Let it be here. Let it be here. मैं बाहर जाना चाहता हूँ. I want to go out. I want to go out. आप क्या सोचते हो? What do you think? What do you think? मैं मिलना चाहता हूँ. I want to meet. I want to meet. उसे मेरे पास भेजो. Send him to me. Send him to me. मेरे रास्ते से हट जाओ. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. जल्दी वापस आना. Come back soon. Come back soon. कल मिलते हैं. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. क्या आप उसकी माँ को जानते हो? Do you know her mother? Do you know her mother? मैं उसकी मदद करूंगा. I will help him. I will help him. आलू छील दो. Peel off the potato. Peel off the potato. क्या आपने मुझे बुलाया? Have you called me? Have you called me? हम हर रोज नई चीजें सीखते हैं. We learn new things every day. We learn new things every day. मैं आपके साथ डांस करना चाहूँगा. I would like to dance with you. I would like to dance with you. क्या आप मुझसे मिलना चाहोगे? Would you like to meet me? Would you like to meet me? मैं बहुत खर्च करता हूँ. I spend a lot. I spend a lot. मेरे हाथ में दर्द है. I had pain in my hand. I had pain in my hand. आपको यह घर कैसा लगा? How did you like this house? How did you like this house? मैं एक महीने की छुट्टी पर हूँ. I am on leave for a month. I am on leave for a month. मैं इस भाषा को जानता हूँ. I know this language. I know this language. समय ही धन है. Time is money. Time is money. ट्रेन यहाँ कब तक रुकेगी? How long will the train stop here? How long will the train stop here? कृपया मेरे लिए प्रतीक्षा ना करें. Please don't wait for me. Please don't wait for me. यह बस कहाँ जाती है? Where does this bus go? Where does this bus go? क्या मैं आपसे 1 मिनट बात कर सकता हूँ? Can I talk to you for a minute? Can I talk to you for a minute? मुझे लगता है कि मैंने आपको कहीं देखा है. I think I have seen you somewhere. I think I have seen you somewhere. बाजार कितनी दूर है? How far is the market? How far is the market? यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to me. आपकी आवाज बहुत मधुर है. Your voice is very sweet. Your voice is very sweet. मैं और क्या कर सकता था? What else could I do? What else could I do? समय क्या हुआ है? What time is it? What time is it? उसके सारे पैसे खो गए. He lost all his money. He lost all his money. तुम्हारा समय पूरा हुआ. Your time is up. Your time is up. बुरी आदतें छोड़ दो. Give up bad habits. Give up bad habits. मैं अभी नहीं आ सकता. I can't come now. I can't come now. उसे यह काम करने दो. Let him do this work. Let him do this work. इसके बारे में बाद में सोचना. Think about it later. Think about it later. क्या तुम्हें मेरी बात समझ आई? Did you get me? Did you get me? मुझे एक कॉल करना है. I have to make a call. I have to make a call. यहाँ कोई नहीं आता. No one comes here. No one comes here. मुझे तुम पर भरोसा नहीं है. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. यह तो होना ही था. It had to happen. It had to happen. मुझे फ्री होकर कॉल करो. Call me when you are free. Call me when you are free. उसका मजाक मत उड़ाओ. Don't mock him. Don't mock him. उसे बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. No need to tell him. No need to tell him. दूसरों की मत सुनो. Don't listen to others. Don't listen to others. वह तुम्हारी क्या लगती है? Who is she to you? Who is she to you? सुनकर दुख हुआ. Sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that. ये मेरा पहला प्रयास है. This is my first attempt. This is my first attempt. तुम्हें हुआ क्या है? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? तुमने मुझे हंसाया. You made me laugh. You made me laugh. ये सब क्या है? What's all this? What's all this? मुझे गलत मत समझना. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. ये कितने का है? How much is this? How much is this? ये 100 रुपए का है. This is for 100 rupees. This is for 100 rupees. मैं इस बारे में सोचूंगा. I will think about it. I will think about it. मुझे आपके बिना खराब लगता है. I feel bad without you. I feel bad without you. यह पहली बार है. This is the first time. This is the first time. मैं कल निकल रहा हूँ. I am leaving tomorrow. I am leaving tomorrow. काश मेरे पास वो होता. I wish I had that. I wish I had that. यह कब शुरू होगा? When will it start? When will it start? मैं तुम्हारे जाने के बाद आऊंगा. I will come after you leave. I will come after you leave. आज कौन सा दिन है? What day is it today? What day is it today? बोलो कब जाना है? Tell me when to go. Tell me when to go. चाहे जो हो जाए मैं वहां जाऊंगा. No matter what I will go there. No matter what I will go there. भगवान जाने वो कौन है. God knows who he is. God knows who he is. भगवान जाने वे कहाँ हैं. God knows where they are. God knows where they are. मैं जाऊंगा. I will go. I will go. वह कुछ नहीं कर सकता. He can't do anything. He can't do anything. आपके बगल में कौन था? Who was next to you? Who was next to you? तुम्हारे पास ये वाला पहले से है. You already have this one. You already have this one. मैं आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ. I know you very well. I know you very well. इसे समय पर छोड़ दो. Leave it on time. Leave it on time. घर जल्दी वापस आना, कम बैक होम अर्ली, कम बैक होम अर्ली। मुझे पता है तुम्हारा क्या मतलब है, आई नो वॉट यू मीन, आई नो वॉट यू मीन। आपने मुझे कभी नहीं बताया, यू नेवर टोल्ड मी, यू नेवर टोल्ड मी। उसने मुझे ये खबर दी, ही गेव मी दिस न्यूज, ही गेव मी दिस न्यूज। कल मुझे बुखार हो गया था, आई हैड अ फीवर लास्ट नाइट, आई हैड अ फीवर लास्ट नाइट। मुझे देर हो रही है, आई एम गेटिंग लेट, आई एम गेटिंग लेट। मुझे नहीं पता कि वो कहाँ हैं, आई डोंट नो वेयर ही इज, आई डोंट नो वेयर ही इज। तुम्हें मौका मिला है, यू हैव गॉट अ चांस, यू हैव गॉट अ चांस।